Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Henna by Gudia. Today I am going to show you a very easy and simple mehendi design that's perfect for beginners. So, we will start the design with a small flower in the center, then add a few tiny leaves and dots around it. Even though it's simple, it looks really beautiful and elegant. अगर आप बिगनर हैं तो पेंसिल या पेन से हल्का सा आउटलाइन बना के मेहंदी लगाइए। और टिप ये है, मेहंदी अप्लाई करते वक्त कोन को हल्की ग्रिप के साथ होल्ड करें ताकि डिज़ाइन क्लियर आए। Here the final look, perfect for small events, casual days or events, or whenever you feel like adding a little beauty to your hands. If you liked this design, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel and let me know in the comments what kind of design you would like to see next. Thank you.